How to fix WhatsApp storage full issue. Running out of space because of WhatsApp? Here's how to clear WhatsApp storage without losing important chats. Let's get started. First of all, go to WhatsApp settings. Then go to storage and data. Then go to manage storage. Review and delete large files, forwarded media or junk. You can also delete media from specific chats. Open the chat, type the contact's name, then media, then delete the items. Remove inactive chats or group threads that are no longer needed. Make it a habit to clear WhatsApp media every few weeks to avoid storage overload. And that's about it. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.